Hello, viewers, and welcome to this edition of Sensor 360 Investor. Let's revisit NVIDIA since NVIDIA reported, and I guess everybody would know that they a stellar report again and busted through. But what I want to do is, I had put out a video on NVIDIA's path to 1,000, so this is a revisit of that and see where we are now and what we can look forward to on the NVIDIA chart. So on the screen is the NVIDIA chart, and we can see over here this the reported hours, reported after hours a couple of days ago for 5:24. The stock jumped up overnight, opened, um, went up towards the highest of the days, and then pulled back a little bit, closing kind of middle of the bar and slightly above it, and then opens up this morning and a little tighter action, but it's the day is young yet, so the market is still open. And on the chart, on the video that I had put in some markers as to where NVIDIA could travel to. So these are the red zones, the red bars here, and here we can see it jumping up above the closes above the 1,000 on Thursday, and here we are trading at 1,052. So the next target to look for is up here between 1,100 and 1,150, and we'll see how it reacts there. If it can bust through that, which is very likely given its strong earnings report, and then final target that we're looking for in the short term is this 1,300 to 1,350. And so from here, I want to keep diligent about your position management and stops and stuff like that, and if need be, scale out as needed. I'd shared before, if I go back to that's the daily charts. If I go back to the, actually, maybe I can just go back a little bit. Here we go. Actually, if I switch this to the weekly, we can see the the breakout over here at 192, which was our first foray into NVIDIA, and the climb. There's earnings support over here. There's a couple of other earnings supports which I don't have marked up. I do have this one marked up here. And based on its trajectory and run, I was able to determine price zones and add-in zones. So there was an add-in zone around here for us in the 700 to 720 zone. There was potential top out area here, but it formed a base, and then we get the bust through 1,000. And now these zones become support zones and areas to watch out for. We're still watching for an upward thrust and trajectory up into these higher zones. So probably 1,350 could call the ball if we can get that point. And if we don't, then intermediate zone would be about 1115 to watch for, and see how the market or how NVIDIA reacts at that point. And we have to watch this in the context of the overall market as well now, because this was the last hurrah news of this earnings cycle really to watch for outside of the macro indicators of inflation and interest rates. So that's it for this video. So indeed, NVIDIA did close out at the 1,000 march to its 1,000 number. It's comfortably sitting above that right now. So now if you're a holder, watch for it and see how we can squeeze the last bits of juices out of this position. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.